Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a lot of energy. I don't know where this energy comes from. Cause baby, it is 5:23 in the morning. So the point of this video is because we are doing hair today. Hair today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb this thing out. So I know y'all wondering what type of hair are we doing today, Crystal. I'm looking right here because I have a mirror. I have the mirror right here and you guys are right here, so please bear with me. But we're doing this. So I figured I was just gonna show y'all the twist. This video is not sponsored whatsoever, but I use Cantu as a leave-in conditioner. My hair was really dry, you know. So put the Cantu, brush it in a little bit, and let's twist it. We're gonna do the same process as if we're putting a wig on. We're gonna go with the Wonder Lace Bond. Only because it says mega hold. And then we have the Argan Oil Weave Wonder Wrap. We're gonna be putting that on top of the wig cap. Just spreading it out. This is to protect your hair from the glue. I'm kind of scared, but you know what? Fear never frightened me before, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it. Yep, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so first thing first, you know, you gotta measure it out to fit your head. On the back, so like this, and you're gonna cut it on this end right here. Keep your finger on it, don't lose it. So once you put your glue on your track, you're going to just place it where you measure. Just push that bad boy on there. And just push outwards. I feel like if you push outwards, the glue is getting tighter. I don't know. But yeah. And yes, I know my measurements is wrong. One side is higher than the other, but it's okay because at the end, it's going to all work out. So, be my queen. Now we're on the 22-inch. 22. You are going to measure your hair. From one side to another. And don't clip it right on that end. You heard that snip. See, last time that I did this, like tracks, I didn't have, what you call that? It didn't come with a closure, so I made my own. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Just a little thing that's waiting for me. I pull. As you can see, we're almost done. We're almost done. 18, Mike Jones, 18. The out of the lie, too backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Love you, and I need you. Yeah, you're just gonna put a whole lot of glue on it. So, yeah. Put glue, 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 glue. That's how much I'm gonna be putting, so. Okay, let's see how I'm going to do this. That's the part. Make sure that thing done. Now this part we're gonna blow dry. Okay, so y'all, my camera started tripping, so I don't have no trays, but to finish this on my phone. But let me show you guys. I did another piece of 18-inch. If it didn't catch in my camera, I did that. Now let's do this takedown. See what it's hidden on and what it's hidden for. So, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, follow my social medias. I'm going to make sure it's popping up here. Other than that, see you till next time. Peace.